Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking. I'm Olivia.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here.
Yes, today is a fun day. We have a very interesting topic.
Interesting. What is it?
Today, we're talking about what's in your bag.
What's in my bag? That's a good topic.
I know. Everyone has a bag, and everyone carries different things.
That's true. I'm curious, what's in your bag, Olivia?
Wait. Before I show you, everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe to Daily Talking and hit the like button.
And share with your friends. Learning English together is more fun.
Exactly. Okay, Olivia, show me. What's in your bag?
Okay, let me open it. Oh my goodness, my bag is so heavy today.
Heavy? Why? What do you have in there?
I don't know. Let me check. Okay, first, my phone.
Your phone. Of course, everyone has a phone.
Yes, I always carry my phone. Always. I can't live without my phone.
Me too. My phone is very important. I use it for everything.
Calling, texting, taking photos, checking emails,
And social media.
Instagram.
Facebook.
Yes, my phone is my life. Okay, what else? Oh, my wallet.
Your wallet. This is where you keep money and cards.
Exactly. My wallet has my credit cards, some cash, and my ID.
ID. ID. This is your identification card.
Yes, I always carry my ID. Very important.
What else is in your wallet?
Some receipts. A lot of receipts from shopping.
Receipts. The paper from the store.
Yes, I need to throw them away. Too many receipts.
Everyone has old receipts in their wallet.
True. Okay, what else? Oh, my keys.
Your keys. Very important. House keys?
Yes, house keys and car keys. I have them on this keychain.
Keychain. The thing that holds your keys together.
Yes, my keychain is pink with a little bear.
Cute. I have a simple black keychain.
Simple is good too. Okay, what else? A pen. I have a pen.
A pen. P-E-N. For writing.
Yes, I always carry a pen. You never know when you need to write something.
That's smart. I never have a pen.
Never? David, you need a pen.
I know. I always borrow pens from people.
That's not good. Buy a pen.
Okay. I will buy one. What else is in your bag?
Let me see. Oh, a notebook. A small notebook.
A notebook. For writing notes.
Yes, I write ideas, shopping lists, things to remember.
That's useful. I use my phone for notes.
Phone notes are good, but I like writing on paper.
Old school. I like it.
Yes. Okay, what else? Oh, my glasses.
Your glasses. For your eyes.
Yes, but not for seeing. These are sunglasses.
Sunglasses. For sunny days.
Exactly. I always have sunglasses in my bag. The sun is very bright.
Good idea. I need to carry sunglasses too.
You should. Okay, what else? Oh, this is funny. An umbrella.
An umbrella. For rain.
Yes, I always carry an umbrella, even on sunny days.
Why? Why carry an umbrella on a sunny day?
Because the weather can change. Suddenly it rains.
That's true. Better to be prepared.
Exactly. And last thing, a water bottle.
A water bottle. For drinking water.
Yes, I drink a lot of water every day. so I always carry a bottle.
That's healthy. Good for you.
Thank you. Okay, so that's everything in my bag. Phone, wallet, keys, pen, notebook, sunglasses, an umbrella, and water bottle.
Wow, that's a lot. No wonder your bag is heavy.
I know, but I need all these things.
Okay. Now it's my turn.
Yes, show me. What's in your bag, David?
Okay, let me open my backpack.
Backpack, a bag you carry on your back.
Yes, I prefer backpacks. More comfortable than shoulder bags.
I agree. Okay, show me. What's inside?
First, my phone, of course.
Everyone has a phone.
Yes, and my wallet with my credit cards and ID.
Good. What else?
My keys, house keys and office keys.
Office keys. You have office keys.
Yes, I need them for work.
Makes sense. What else?
Headphones.
Headphones for listening to music.
Yes, I listen to music on the bus every morning.
What kind of music?
Everything. Rock, pop, jazz. I like all music.
Nice. What else is in your bag?
A book.
A book. You carry a book.
Yes, I read on the bus. It's boring to just sit.
That's smart. What book are you reading?
A mystery book about a detective.
Ooh, sounds interesting.
It is. Very exciting. What else? Oh, a charger.
A charger for your phone.
Yes, my phone battery dies quickly.
Mine too. I should carry a charger.
You should. Very useful. And last thing, snacks.
Snacks. Small food to eat.
Yes, I have nuts and a chocolate bar.
Nuts and chocolate. Good choices.
I get hungry between meals.
Me too. I should carry snacks.
Okay, so that's everything. Phone, wallet, keys, headphones, book, charger, and snacks.
Your bag is lighter than mine.
Yes, you carry too many things.
I need everything. I can't leave anything at home.
Okay. Well, everyone, now you know what's in our bags.
Yes, these are very common items. Things everyone carries.
Phone, wallet, keys, pen, notebook, sunglasses, umbrella, water bottle, headphones, book, charger, and snacks.
So many useful words.
Very useful. Okay, Olivia, I'm getting thirsty.
Me too. Should we take a coffee break?
Yes, good idea. Let's take a break.
Okay, everyone, we are taking a short coffee break.
We will be back in a few minutes.
Don't go anywhere.
See you soon.
Hello, everyone. We are back.
Yes, we're back from our coffee break.
That was good coffee.
Very good. I feel much better now.
Me too. Okay, so everyone, in the first part, we talked about what's in our bags.
Yes, all the things we carry every day.
But now we want to talk about something else. Something not so fun.
Not fun? What is it?
Losing things.
Oh, no. Losing things? That's terrible.
I know. Everyone loses things sometimes.
That's true. It's so frustrating.
Very frustrating. This means it makes you angry and upset.
Yes, when I lose something, I feel stressed.
Me too. So, David, have you ever lost something important?
Oh, yes. Many times. Too many times.
Really? What did you lose?
Well, last month, I lost my keys.
Your keys? Oh no, that's bad.
Very bad. I couldn't find them anywhere.
Where did you lose them?
I don't know. That's the problem. I looked everywhere.
In your house?
Yes, I looked in my bedroom, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, everywhere.
And you couldn't find them?
No, I looked for 1 hour, 1 whole hour.
1 hour? That's a long time.
I know. I was so worried. I thought, oh no, I lost my keys. What do I do?
So, what happened? Did you find them?
Yes, finally, I found them
Where were they?
in my jacket pocket.
Your jacket pocket.
I know, I forgot. I put them there in the morning.
Oh, David, you forgot.
I was so relieved.
Relieved. This means happy? Because the problem is over.
Yes, I was so happy to find them.
I understand. Losing keys is scary.
Very scary. What about you, Olivia? Have you lost something?
Oh, yes. Last week, I lost my phone.
Your phone. No, that's terrible.
I know. I was so upset.
Where did you lose it?
At the mall. I was shopping at the mall.
Oh no, at the mall. So many people.
I know. I was in a clothing store. I tried on some dresses, and when I finished, my phone was gone.
Gone? This means disappeared. Not there anymore.
Yes, my phone was gone. I was so scared.
What did you do?
First, I checked my bag. Maybe it's in my bag.
Was it there?
No, not there. Then I checked the fitting room. Maybe I left it there.
And?
Not there either. I was panicking.
Panicking. This means very worried, very scared.
Yes, I was panicking. My whole life is on my phone.
I know. Photos, contacts, apps.
Everything. So I asked the store staff, "Excuse me, did you see a phone? I lost my phone."
Good. Ask for help.
Yes. The staff said, "Let me check the lost and found."
Lost and found. This is the place where they keep lost items.
Exactly. And guess what? My phone was there.
Really? Someone found it.
Yes, someone found it in the fitting room and gave it to the staff.
That's so nice. Honest people.
Very nice. I was so happy. I said, thank you so much."
I can imagine. Losing your phone is scary.
Very scary. Now I'm more careful. I always check my phone.
Good idea. I do that too.
Okay, David, did you ever lose anything else?
Yes. 2 years ago, I lost my wallet.
Your wallet? Oh no, that's really bad.
Very bad. My credit cards, my ID, my cash, everything was in there.
Where did you lose it?
On the bus. I was on the bus going home.
How did you lose it?
I think it fell out of my pocket. When I got off the bus, my wallet was gone.
Oh no. Did you go back to the bus?
The bus was already going. It left.
So what did you do?
I called the bus company. I said, I lost my wallet on the bus. Can you help me?
Good. And did they help?
Yes. They said, come to our office tomorrow. Maybe someone found it.
So you went the next day?
Yes, I went to their office, and my wallet was there.
Really? That's amazing.
I know. The bus driver found it. He gave it to the office.
That's so lucky.
Very lucky. I was so relieved. All my cards were still there. My ID was there.
That's wonderful. See, there are good people in the world.
Yes, I was so grateful.
Grateful. This means thankful.
Yes, I said, thank you so much to the bus driver.
Good. Okay, I have one more story.
Another story. What did you lose?
My bag. I lost my whole bag.
Your whole bag. When?
Last year. I was at a restaurant.
What happened?
I was having lunch with friends. We ate, we talked, we laughed, then we left.
And you forgot your bag.
Yes, I forgot it under the table. I didn't realize until I got home.
Oh no. What was in your bag?
Everything! My phone, my wallet, my keys, everything.
That's terrible.
I know. I immediately called the restaurant. I said, I left my bag at your restaurant. Is it still there?
And what did they say?
They said, yes, we have your bag. Come and get it.
Thank goodness.
I know. I went back immediately, and my bag was there. Everything inside was safe.
That's so good. You were very lucky.
Very lucky. After that, I'm always more careful. I always check my bag before leaving.
That's smart. We should all do that.
Yes. So, everyone, the lesson today is always check your things.
Don't forget your phone, your wallet, your keys, your bag.
Check before you leave.
Exactly. But look at the time.
Oh, yes, we need to finish. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening.
Yes, we hope you learned new words today.
Words about things in your bag and about losing things.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
And click the like button.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, have you ever lost something important?
Yes, tell us your story. What did you lose? Did you find it?
Write in English. Practice your writing.
We love reading your comments.
Great. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember, always check your things.
Bye-bye.